top of cap equals finished floor elevation. So we'll be able to pull everything right off of the top of that cap. That's for our finished floor. So what I'm gonna do is go through and just do an initial scrape of the top 3 to 4 inches and get our raw dirt exposed so that we can see, and then I'll go back through and I'll paint out all of our footprint again. And what that's gonna do is give us a chance to just really keep a good eye on our layout. And then the garage is basically all out here. So we're gonna try to leave this topsoil intact as best we can. There's our finished floor elevation here. So you just have two, it's the same height as that other one. It's just, we got 2 spots we can pull from and shoot our laser from, and we know that's where we're going to. We're gonna have a big concrete slab here. So we're gonna take all this down a ways, maybe down 18 inches or so, just remove this dirt and pull it all down at the footprint of this garage. This has not been surveyed yet for the garage. So the bulk of our work is basically gonna be in this, you know, this big excavation here. So we'll go ahead and start removing the weeds and whatnot, and then we'll take it down. We're working with Equipment Share on this machine rental. This is a 55,000 pound excavator, a Doosan DX 225. Carson Geber, you can check him out on Instagram, find him, direct message him, get some good rental equipment, buy whatever you need, he'll help you out. He's great. So this is our building site here, and you can see some stakes I'm coming up to, and I got some initial painting down. We have 10-foot offsets with pink whiskers. Some of these have gotten knocked down, driven over, possibly by myself, but we got the whiskers in the ground, so we try to preserve those as long as we can. And if we got to wipe these out, we're gonna set and pull further offsets off of here. So we got green whiskers for our actual corners. These will get wiped out when we start digging. And then we have our orange line that I just went ahead and connected the dots and got our footprint painted out. We do have some jogs and some squiggles in here. Let's see, oh, I'm going over to there, so I'll go ahead and paint this now. But we're digging down about 12 feet of depth here, and our finished floor elevation is about where I'm standing. You can see we got a couple of stakes. Got a nice little ant pile that's gonna get destroyed, unfortunately. I'll try to say a prayer for those ants, but there's our finished floor elevation. All right, hey, what's up guys? This is Jesse, High Performance Earthworks. We're getting ready to start another excavation for Revolve Design Build Company out of Denver. They're awesome, do great custom homes, energy efficient, professional, super great to work with. We've been doing a lot of homes with them, so we're getting ready to start this next excavation. I'm gonna give you guys a quick walkthrough real quick. All right, we're out here, down here on Eldridge Street, working with Revolve Design Build on this excavation for this new house. And we have a 12-foot basement to dig out for the entire footprint of this house. And oh my God, there's a lot of dirt. Look at this mountain that we're building over here, just to stash and stockpile our dirt. We're keeping all of our top 6 feet over here on this pile, and then when we get down into our clay, we're gonna start having to pile it up over here, and we can hopefully get it all out of the ground and make a mountain big enough to accommodate it all. We've left our green actual corners in the ground here. You can see those, and in that island there, as well as right here. So once we get this all dug out, we'll wipe out our islands where our green corners are, and then we'll re-stake it all, because we still have our 10-foot offsets. We're doing everything we can to maintain and preserve throughout the excavation, because as you can see, there's a lot of traffic and a lot of dirt getting pushed around, so it's real easy to lose track of our survey points. Those are valuable indicators of where we're supposed to be and where we're supposed to put this house. We can lose track at any time, and we can get off our marks. So we're really trying hard not to do that. Enough to accommodate it all. We've left our green actual corners in the ground here. All of our top 6 feet over here on this pile, and then when we get down into our clay, we're gonna start having to pile it up over here, and we can hopefully get it all out of the ground and make a mountain. All right, we're out here, down here on Eldridge Street, working with Revolve Design Build on this excavation for this new house, and we have